Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about agriculture as an optional for UPSC CSE. All of you, those who are preparing for your UPSC CSE, you must be knowing that there will be total 7 papers in your mains examination, right? And among this, there will be 2 papers of optional. But there are various topics for your optional paper. Like there are various subjects which you can take as an optional paper. And agriculture is one among them. So it is not very popular among the students of UPSC, maybe because of several reasons. For example, there are not proper notes available in the market, just like any other subject. Say, for example, if you go to purchase, if you go to find the study material for say, sociology, you're going to get abundant amount of it, right? But in case of agriculture, you have to find it. You have to search it. And there are very limited number of study materials available for your this agriculture optional. Therefore, it is totally upon you to prepare your own notes. But there is an advantage also of having this situation. How? Because when you are preparing your own notes, obviously you are memorizing it also. You are understanding the subject by yourself. You're not just mugging up the subject, right? So you can take it as a positive note only, right? So let us first see what are the subjects or what are the topics which we have to study for the agriculture optional paper. In paper number 1, we have to study about ecology, agronomy, forestry, weed science, soil nutrient and management, water conservation, farm management, agriculture economics, and agriculture extension. In the second paper, we have to study about the cell biology and genetics, plant breeding, seed production, plant physiology, horticulture and landscaping, plant protection, and food production and nutrition. Now, these are just the small or these are the large topics. These are very large topics. If you go through the UPSC notification, official notification, you can get the detailed breakup of this syllabus. I'm not mentioning this in this video because otherwise it will be very heavy. Okay, so we all can go through the official notification there in detailed breakdown of this course you are going to get. Okay. Now, what is the advantage of taking agriculture as an option? The first thing is, if you go by volume, you will realize that this subject has a very limited syllabus. Okay, as compared to any other subjects. In next slides, we are going to see that how many books we have to follow. Okay, so you will find that those are very limited books which we have to study. The first advantage of taking agriculture as an optional is a limited syllabus. That means it will save you a lot of time. For this, you may be requiring around 3 to 4 months. Or those who are from the agriculture background or zoology or botany background or having any kind of biological background, they will find that they are able to complete it within 2 to 3 months. Maximum 3 months they are going to complete it. Okay. The second advantage of this is anyone who has a simple biological background, say for those who have studied biology in their class 10th and 12th also, they can study. Or those who are interested in gardening or farming, they will be they will find this subject very easy to understand because this subject is practical and concept driven in nature. I'm sure most of you must be having a small kitchen garden also. The things which you have learned or which you have observed in that small kitchen garden can also be applied in preparing your dish optional paper. The third one and the last one is it is interconnected with the GS paper. Okay, if we see the previous year questions, you will get a lot of questions in GS paper 3, not only in GS paper 3. I think during in the year of year 2018, this one question from agriculture came in GS paper 1 also. That was defining blue revolution, explain the problem and strategies for pisciculture development in India. That is from 2018. And one more was the ideal solution of depleting groundwater resources in India is water harvesting system. How can it be made effective in urban areas? So these two questions, you can see that these two questions came from the syllabus of paper number 1, that is water conservation for management. Right? So these are the advantages which you can have if you select agriculture as an option. Now let us see which books can be referred. These are some basic books which you must have with you, though you don't have to read the entire thing for this book. That is, you don't have to read the entire book. These books are very thick, but from this also, according to the syllabus or according to the detailed syllabus which you will get in the official notification of UPSC, you have to study very limited amount of the material. Okay, so these are just 5 books which you have to study. Along with that, you should also follow magazines like Kurukshetra and Yojana. And I don't have to mention that you need to also follow a standard newspaper, be it the Hindu or the Indian Express. And you have to go through each and every editorial which is given about the agriculture related issues. Okay. So now how you can prepare the syllabus? Obviously, like every other subject, you need to have the proper understanding of the entire syllabus. Okay, that is, we have to go through the syllabus point by point. The large topic which I have mentioned, you have to break it, which is available obviously in the official notification, and with you have to study each and every topic given in the breakdown. The second is you have to make a strategy for your study. Then again, there is nothing new in that, right? All of you must have to make a strategy. First, that we can start with. Let's say, for example, what you want to study first. As per my suggestion, I think the paper 2 is a little bit more difficult to understand. So if you go through that first, you will get the basic concept of everything, which will help you to understand the paper number 1 also. Right? Like that, you can do according to yourself. That is just my idea. And the third and most important thing is analyze the previous year question paper. By going through these previous year question paper, you will definitely find that most of the questions in agriculture are repeating in nature or somewhat related to previous year's questions only. So this could be another advantage, that most of the questions are repeated again and again in this paper. So this was the video on why we should take agriculture as an optional. Thank you very much for listening.